in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Learn Hmong the Jay Way Pro version, okay? Which is different and more advanced, more feature than the free version. Again, it's similar when you come to this page, but the features are different. So let's take a look. Cho, chua, do, de. You click on each of this word and there will be translation. Gu, mua, I, tu, de, da.
I have a yellow dog.
Nó, yo, tu, de, da.
This is a yellow dog.
So translation number one is if you click translate Hmong word, if you click this and then you click on any of the Hmong word here, mua, you see that it translates into English down here. De, yo, tu, gu. Extensive translation or definition of each word and not just, gu into I and more into have. So for example, more, you can see that it has more example and a different definition as well, or different usage. In addition to the translation up and down, so for example, like if you want to translate the English word into Hmong, you would click here.
2.
Let's see. As you can see, it translates into English up here.
Pigs.
Okay. Additionally, you can use the translation into other languages. So for example, if you click on the show languages, currently English, Hmong, Lao, Thai, and Vietnamese are checked. I'm going to check Chinese for translation as well. To close this, just uncheck this. It'll still be there. But the most important thing is you have to check this box, translate into other languages. So once you do that, if you click in any of the word here, lu, it translates into these languages, okay? And if you click on
language,
it translates into over here.
Human.
Okay. One other, I think, neat feature or helpful feature is the words of the consonant that you click. So currently I pick on the D, right? Da, de. And all the Hmong words that start with the da or D, it'll be listed here. So you can click on any of this, da, and it'll have the pronunciation plus translation in Hmong and English. Let's say the font is too big, you can change it to smaller font. Okay, same thing here. You can pick a smaller font. Đờ chế, đờ đồng, đừng đờ, đê na, đo chùa, đo đê, đo. Okay, I'm not going to go through all of them, but as you can see, if I pick on the next consonant, cho, cho, it'll be different words here. Cho, cho. Okay. Cha. You click on it. Cha. Again, you pick on the translation. Let's say we want to see what
wider,
the English wider means. And then it's translated into other languages over here. Okay? And let's say you don't know the Hmong word. Ja. It will translate to strength in other languages over here. And again, this is similar to the free version where you can click the consonant combining with the vowels. Like, for example, if I study the D, do, de, it takes the D combined with the 13 vowels like this. You can click and read and study and listen. Da, dai, do, do. Okay? And let's just say you wanted to focus on a particular vowel. Or it combined the current consonant with the 13 vowels with the 7 tones.
Door, door, door.
At this point, let's just change it a little to bigger.
Door, door,
You can make it bigger too.
door, door.
And if you want to learn a particular tone, you can click on it
Cú,
and now change the tone
đã, đáy, đau, đỡ.
with just that tone, combining the consonant with the 13 vowels and the tone that you selected.
Đó, đóng.
Let's say you don't know how to pronounce this tone
Nâng, đa, đai, đau.
or this tone.
Xe, đa, đai, đau.
Again, reading numbers,
Y, bò, nâng gạo, bê. G, bò, nâng gạo, bê. Y, bò, G châu, xa.
157.